Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about these all things, that how you can add the text and how you can add these charts and how you can add these all steps. So I'm going to delete this one, and after that, let's click on this and now delete this one as well. And now I'm going to delete this one as well. So in this class, we are going to discuss about that how you can add the music and how you can add the voiceover. So first of all, let's see that if you want to add the voiceover, then simply you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you have to right click, you have to click on this, and then you have to speak, and the voiceover will be recorded. And here you have to select the audio source, and after that you have to click on this, and you have to start speaking, and the voiceover will be recorded. If you want to import it, you can also do that. You have to click on this, and the voiceover will be imported. So I'm going to cut this one. And after that, if you want to add the music, you can also do that. It's up to you. Let's click on this. And after that, you have to select the music, that which music you want to add. Here, a lot of music are provided here. If you want to see the preview, you can also do that. Or if you want to import the music from here, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to play this one. So let's see. So as you can see, these are the music. If you want to see some other musics, you can also do that. These are totally 6 pages. Or if you want to import, you can also do that. So I'm going to cut this one. So let's cut this one. And after, so in this way, you can add the voiceover and music in your VideoScribe. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the voiceover and the music in your VideoScribe file in the whiteboard animation video. So see you guys in the next video.